Hi, I'd like to very quickly give you a creativity technique that I learned from a wonderful book on creativity called Serious Creativity by Michael DeBono from Harvard. I call it the idea concept ladder. I think DeBono calls it, or his version, the concept fan. But it's all about idea generation when we're talking about creativity. First part of the whole creative cycle is that you have to generate as many ideas as you possibly can, and then when you have a lot of ideas, you can cull through them and try to pick out the one that's the best of all of them. So the first process is generating ideas. So this is about a technique about how to generate lots of good ideas. And basically it's if you come up with a single, a single great idea, what you want to do then is figure out what's the concept, move it up a ladder, what's the concept above it that sort of this idea flows from. So one of the examples that DeBono uses is you're walking along on a beach and there you see some plastic bottle and you decide, this is crappy, we need to clean up the beach. So you pick up the bottle and then that's an idea, we ought to clean up the beach. Let's get this plastic bottle off of the beach. What's the concept above that? The concept is cleaning up the beach. That's a larger concept. Once you have that larger concept, then you can drill down and think of what are other ideas that you might have for cleaning up the beach. It could be picking up the plastic bottle. It could be actually organizing a whole sort of campaign to get people out there doing it. Start thinking about, well, why is the plastic in the water in the first place, and so on. You can also then do this by taking your bigger concept and moving it up even a little bit higher. In that instance, if your basic concept is how can we clean up the beaches, it might be how can we actually clean up, stop pollution in the ocean. So the idea, you're getting it up, and then you generate more and more ideas out of those concepts. Then you have an array of different ideas, and you can choose the one that actually looks like it might be most successful, might be most feasible, and the one that you have the most passion for it. So it's a very useful technique that we call the idea concept fan.